Our planet is in constant motion. This motion is not just a simple journey through space, it's a complex dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. It hurtles through the vastness of space, orbiting the sun at an average speed of about 67,000 miles per hour. This orbit is what gives us our year, the cycle of seasons, and the changing constellations in our night sky. But there's another less noticeable motion, Earth's rotation on its axis. This rotation is much slower, taking approximately 24 hours to complete one full turn. This spin, completed roughly every 24 hours, is the reason for day and night, the rhythm of life as we know it. The transition from day to night and back again is a fundamental aspect of our existence, influencing everything from our sleep patterns to the behavior of plants and animals. Imagine Earth as a basketball spinning on your finger. That spin is crucial. Just like the basketball, our planet's rotation provides stability and balance. It dictates our weather patterns, ocean currents, and even the shape of our planet. The centrifugal force from Earth's rotation causes the equator to bulge out slightly, making our planet an oblate spheroid rather than a perfect sphere. It's a delicate balance, finely tuned over billions of years. This balance has allowed life to flourish, creating the diverse ecosystems we see today. Without Earth's rotation, our world would be a drastically different place. Days and nights would last for months, leading to extreme temperatures and making life as we know it nearly impossible. The consequences of a sudden stop would be catastrophic, reshaping the planet as we know it. Oceans would surge, winds would howl, and the very crust of the Earth would shift, leading to unimaginable natural disasters. So as we go about our daily lives, it's worth taking a moment to appreciate the incredible forces at work, keeping our planet in motion and maintaining the delicate balance that makes life possible. Imagine for a moment that Earth suddenly stops spinning. This might sound like a scene from a science fiction movie, but let's delve into the terrifying reality of such an event. The immediate effects would be nothing short of devastating. Natural disasters that we are familiar with, like earthquakes and tornadoes, would pale in comparison to the chaos that would ensue. We wouldn't simply stop moving, we'd be flung eastward with incredible force. Imagine every object, every person, every drop of water being hurled at speeds of up to 1,000 miles per hour. Think of riding a bus at high speed. If the bus slams on its brakes, you're thrown forward. Now magnify that experience to a planetary scale. Now apply that same principle to Earth. The sudden halt would unleash forces beyond our comprehension, governed by the laws of physics. Everything on the surface, buildings, trees, oceans, even the air itself, would continue moving eastward at its current speed. The result? Widespread destruction. Imagine skyscrapers toppling like dominoes, forests being ripped from the ground, and oceans spilling over continents. Buildings would crumble, trees would be uprooted, and tsunamis of unimaginable size would surge across continents. The sheer scale of the devastation would be unlike anything humanity has ever witnessed. The very air we breathe would become a supersonic wind, scouring the Earth's surface. These winds would be powerful enough to strip the land bare, leaving nothing but a barren wasteland in their wake. The atmosphere itself would be in turmoil, creating storms of unprecedented ferocity. The oceans, no longer bound by Earth's rotation, would react violently. Massive tsunamis would rise from the seas, engulfing coastlines and reshaping continents. Water would rush towards the poles, creating two vast oceans separated by a single, gigantic landmass around the equator. The atmosphere too would be in chaos. The sudden stop would unleash winds more powerful than any hurricane, circling the globe at unimaginable speeds. These winds would tear through the remnants of civilization, stripping the land bare and scattering debris across the planet. With Earth no longer spinning, our familiar day-night cycle would vanish. One side of the planet would face the sun indefinitely, while the other would be plunged into eternal darkness. The sunlit side would bake under the relentless heat. Temperatures would soar to unimaginable levels, boiling away any remaining water and scorching the land. The dark side, meanwhile, would freeze solid. Temperatures would plummet to unimaginable lows, creating a desolate, icy wasteland. Section 5. Farewell to familiar gravity, the bulge and the shift. Earth's rotation isn't just about day and night, it also affects our planet's shape. The centrifugal force caused by the spin creates a slight bulge at the equator. Without this force, the bulge would disappear, and the Earth would reshape itself into a perfect sphere. This reshaping would have profound consequences. The oceans, no longer held at the equator by the bulge, would redistribute, flooding vast areas of land. The Earth's crust, under immense pressure, would crack and shift, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a global scale. Section 6. Life finds a way, the struggle for survival. In this new, alien world, life as we know it would face an existential threat. Most plants and animals, adapted to a 24-hour day-night cycle and specific climatic conditions, would perish. The oceans, now vastly different, would no longer support marine ecosystems. Some forms of life might adapt. Extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments, could potentially survive in the harsh conditions. But for most species, the sudden stop of Earth's rotation would spell doom. Section 7. A cosmic lesson. Appreciating Earth's delicate balance. The scenario of Earth suddenly stopping its spin, while highly unlikely, serves as a stark reminder of our planet's fragility. It underscores the delicate balance that makes life possible. The seemingly insignificant act of Earth's rotation, often taken for granted, is in reality a fundamental force shaping our world. This thought experiment should inspire a sense of awe and responsibility. It highlights the interconnectedness of our planet's systems and the importance of protecting them. Earth is not just our home, it's a complex, finely tuned machine that sustains us. Section 8. Could it really happen? The very unlikely scenario. The good news is that the catastrophic scenario of Earth suddenly stopping its spin is highly improbable. There's no known force in the universe capable of halting our planet's rotation instantly. The laws of physics dictate that Earth's rotation will continue for billions of years to come. While its speed can be affected by various factors like asteroid impacts or gravitational interactions, a sudden stop is simply not in the cards. Section 9. Looking up, looking inward. Our place in the universe. The thought experiment of Earth stopping its spin, while terrifying, offers a unique perspective. Imagine the chaos that would ensue. The sudden halt of our planet would cause unimaginable destruction. Oceans would surge, winds would howl, and the very fabric of our daily lives would be torn apart. Yet this hypothetical scenario serves a greater purpose. It forces us to confront the fragility of our existence and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. It reminds us of our place in the vastness of the cosmos and the preciousness of our planet. From the vantage point of space, Earth appears as a serene blue marble, floating in the infinite darkness. This perspective is humbling, making us realize how small and interconnected we are. Every forest, every ocean, every living being is part of this intricate web of life that thrives on our planet. It underscores the importance of scientific understanding, not just to unravel the mysteries of the universe, but also to appreciate and protect our only home. Scientists and researchers dedicate their lives to exploring the unknown, seeking answers to questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Their work not only expands our knowledge but also equips us with the tools to address the challenges we face, from climate change to biodiversity loss. As we look up at the stars, let us remember the delicate dance of our own planet, spinning through space, a beacon of life in the vast cosmic ocean. The stars have always been a source of wonder and inspiration, guiding explorers and dreamers alike. They remind us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a universe filled with endless possibilities and mysteries waiting to be discovered. Our understanding of the universe should inspire us to cherish and safeguard our pale blue dot. This tiny speck in the vast expanse of space is our only home, a place of beauty and wonder. It is our responsibility to protect it for future generations, to ensure that they too can look up at the night sky with a sense of awe and curiosity. Let us strive to be stewards of our planet, nurturing it with the care and respect it deserves.